We're here, demfest. I wish you guys were here. Happy birthday to you. His name is Noah. Hey, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you. Yo, now go home, please. Please go home.
My name is Henry. I'm Dehan, and I have no idea what my favorite color is right now.
No favorite color? That's fine.
I just like all colors.
Okay, fair.
Red, like bright red, I don't like.
Oh shit, okay. Yeah. Cool. How are you guys doing today? Have you guys been friends for a while? Oh, awesome. Okay, so how long have you guys been friends for?
We've known each other since like 4 years. Probably less, because we grew up like 3 blocks away from each other in Jersey City. We went to high school together too. Yo! We just had a great friendship here.
Question. What is your favorite memory together?
We got enough space for it, almost.
If you had to pinpoint like one night or like one memory.
There's a lot. She has a hard time remembering.
A more specific one. Okay. What class is pissing you off the most right now? What class do you have an answer? You thought.
I have a favorite memory now.
Oh, you do?
I
Okay.
helped her with her movie, and this woman right here, Brooksy, is great alcohol.
Hi.
It's like the main subject of the movie, and we were just trying to get a shot out of her, and it was so cold at night, and I was just doing the sound with the microphone, and it just took forever to get her to do this one smile. But it was
Yeah.
fun. Like, it was great. We were just
Right,
working so
right.
hard. And it wasn't really satisfying. But then we got to see the whole.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Bye.
Hi, I'm JoJo. I go by she, her, and my favorite color is blue.
Okay.
My name is Nancy. My pronouns are they, them, and my favorite color is definitely not pink. I'm Jess. She, her. My favorite color green.
Green.
I'm Ula. I go by she, her, and my favorite color is purple.
One thing about your day that made you happy.
Give me 2 seconds to think. One thing about my day that made me happy, maybe, and
Yes. Yeah. It's so cute. I was gonna say. Yeah. Awesome. What like class are you like ready for like to end? All of them? Are you ready for the end of the semester? Yeah.
My name's Marissa. I use all pronouns. What was the other one?
And your favorite color?
The color red. My name's Gwen. My pronouns are she, her. My favorite color is green. I'm Asriel. My pronouns are they, he, and my favorite color is black or red.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so how are you guys doing today?
Pretty good.
Good?
Nice
Two
weather.
goods? Okay. What do we have here? Just vibing?
Yeah, just vibing.
Nice, nice. Okay, so what I really want to know is like what class you guys are ready for to be over.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Sorry, what?
What class are you guys ready for to be like over? What class are you like completely done with?
Chemistry.
Chemistry. What are your guys' majors?
Animal science. With ecology.
Oh my god, okay.
It's hard. It's a hard life out there.
Yeah, no, I bet. I could never do that. How have you guys been friends for?
We've been friends for like 3 years, and we're actually roommates.
Oh, nice.
What, like 9 months ago now? Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool, cool.
Yeah.
So what is like one night that you guys all remember that you spent together that was just like so fun? And that you can't forget?
Oh, yeah, the drag show. Yeah.
You went to a drag.
The drag show.
Oh my goodness. That was really fun. Okay, cool.